Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either accounts and backup or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this first option, so let me tap on it and then tap on manage accounts at the top. As you can see here, we've got our Google account added to the device, but no worries, we can have multiple of them. So let's start this tutorial with adding the account. So let's tap on it and tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and as you can see, you have to confirm it with your screen lock. So in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, perfect. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course we can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove the account whenever you want to, basically. Simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, sometimes we'll have to confirm it, but basically everything looks the same. It will be removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.